as you can see, on the screen, you can see the question, and the question is like this: write the algebraic expressions to represent the perimeters of the following figures if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5, and find the perimeters of the figure. So here, as we have given the value of variables like x, y, and z, where the value of x is 2, y is 3, and z is 5. And we have given a picture with different variables or expressions, or in the form of terms or expressions as well. And we need to first express the figures in expression. Then after, we need to find the perimeters of the figure like this. We may have the picture, this one. You can see the picture on your screen, where the sides are given to us. This upper part is of x plus 1 centimeter. The same way, this one part is this. That means the first slanting part is z centimeter. In the same way, second slanting part is y centimeter. Down part is of 2 centimeter. In the same way, this vertical part is z plus 2 centimeter. Or in this way, as we know, the perimeter of the figure, you know how can we find the perimeter of the figure, so that to convert the figure in algebraic expression, or to express the algebraic expression to this figure, we apply the formula of perimeter of the figure. So that let's solve it, or look it carefully. How can we solve this type of figure? As we have given here, perimeter of the figure, you can see here, is equal to sum of all side. Perimeter of figure is equal to sum of all side, where we have the side 2x. So here you can see here 2x is given. In the same way, y centimeter, that is y. You can see here the second one is y. Then after z, then plus z. In the same way, the fourth side is y plus 1. So here you can see y plus 1. In the same way, the fifth one is z plus 2. That you can see here z plus 2. And all the sides are in centimeter. And because of we are adding all the side, I have written centimeter after all, because the answer should be in centimeter. So that here, after this, we have 2x, and this is y. plus y plus z plus y plus 1, sorry, plus 1, then after plus z plus 2. We remove the bracket in the second line. In the second line, we remove the bracket here and centimeter. Then after, we should match the like term, and I think you know about the like term very well because we have learned about the like term in our previous classes. That's why we need to match the like term. So here y is given red color, so these two are the like term. In the same way, z are given in the blue color, so here you can see here z are in like term, and in the same way 1 and 2 are given in white color. It means 1 and 2 are in like term because they both are only number. In the same way, 2x is given in the yellow color because there is no any other number having or with x. That's why x is unlike term among them. And at last we have to write centimeter here, and then after we have to write all the like term at a place. So here 2x, and then after y plus y and plus y, then after plus z and plus z, and then after 1 plus 2, and after last we have to write centimeter here. Then after 2x is just copied because 2x has no any common like term, but because of like term with y, 1y plus 1y is equal to 2y, so we have written here 2y. In the same way, 1z plus 1z is equal to 2z, that we have here, and then after 1 plus 1 is 3. Or in this way we form an algebraic expression by the or with the measurement of the given figure, which is required as first. That means we have formed the expression from the given figure, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3 centimeter is the required algebraic expression that we need to form. Then after, at the place of this x, y and z continuously, we have to replace such variables by their values, which are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5. So that let's evaluate the expression 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3 by their values to find the accurate answer. So that we have here this is the expression in which we replace the value in which we replace their values, where x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5. In the same way, the colors differentiate the values. So you can see on your screen here 2 into 2, this 2 is the value of x here, and between 2 and x there is no any sign is given. That's why we replaced here with multiplication sign. That's why 2 into 2 is written here. In the same way, again plus and 2 is 2, and between 2 and y there is no any sign. It means there is multiplication. That's why we have written here multiplication sign. And then after, value of y is, you can see here 3. That's why we replace the value of 3, a value of y with 3 here. Then after plus 2, and between again between 2 and z there is no any sign. It means multiplication. That's why we have written here 2, and then after value of z is 5. You can see here plus 3 is just copied because it is not given with any variable, so that we are not required to replace any number or the values with 3. And then after 2 to the 4 here, you can see the same way 2 3 ja 6 here, you can see here, and in the same way 2 5 ja 10, and this 3 is copied here. And at last we have to write centimeter. Then after adding these all numbers, 4 plus 10, 6 plus 10 plus 3, at last the answer is 23 centimeter. And I hope you understood the question, solution of the question, and I also hope you can solve the related question by yourself without any confusion. So let's talk about the other question of the exercise. And the other question is given to you on the screen. That is, x is a variable on the set a is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, x is a variable where the values of x are given in the set A, where the elements of set A are 1 2 3. You can see here 1 2 3. That is, x can be replaced by 1 2 and 3, and because of the value of x, we have, or we need to replace the x with their with its values by 1 2 and 3 in the expression 2x plus 1. So let's show the expression. And the expression is, the solution is here. Here, set A is equal to, we have given in the question, set A is equal to 1 2 3, which are the values of x. This is also given because here in the first, x is a variable on the set A 1 2 3. That's why these are the values of x which are given in the set A. That's why these are also the value of x, the elements which are given in the set A. That's why we can write, so x is equal to 1 2 3. It means these 1 2 3 are the values of x, which we need to replace in the expression 2x plus 1. So let's solve it. As you can see here, putting the value of values of x, okay, putting the values of x in 2x minus 1 continuously, okay. This is the expression on which we need to replace the value of x 1 to 3 to find the values of expression. So that here we are going to put the values of x in the expression 2x plus 1 continuously, so that when x is equal to 1, I have given the or I have written the values of x in red color for the identification easily. So when x is equal to 1, or suppose while putting the value of x at first 1 in the expression 2x plus 1, we have here 2x minus 1. So between 2 and x there is no sign, that's why 2 is copied here, and because of no sign we have written here multiplication, and the value of x is there 1. So the value of x is 1, that's why you can see both are in the red color. That's why 1 is replaced at the place of x. So 2 into 1 and minus 1 is this one. Then after 2 into 1, 2 and minus 1. After subtracting 1 from 2, as we got 1 as the answer. In the same way, when we have x is equal to 2, again the value of x is given in the red color for the identification. So here you can see, or while putting x is equal to 2 in the expression 2x plus 1, we have 2, and between 2 and x there is no any sign, that's why we have written here multiplication sign, and the value of x is given here 2, so 2 and minus 1 from here again. Then 2 2s are 4, here you can see 2 2s are 4 minus 1. After subtracting 1 from 4, as we have 3 as our answer. Continuously or similarly in the same way, when we have 3, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, or when we replace the value of x in the expression 2x minus 1, we have 2, and between 2 and x there is no any sign, that's why we have given here multiplication sign, and the value of 3 is given here, you can see, and minus 1 is from here. And then after 2 3s are 6 minus 1, when 1 is subtracting from 6, as we have 5 as our answer. Or I hope in this way you can solve the related question, and I hope you are understanding the solution as well. Or I think there won't be any problem while solving the related question in the process. So that let's talk about the other question. And the other question is given to you on the screen, that is, if x is equal to 2y, now the value of x is given here 2y, where the expression is 2x plus 5y. So how can we find the values, because both the values are also given in the term with y. So how can we find it? So for this, here, read the question carefully. If x is equal to 2y, express 2x plus 5y in the term of y. We need to find the answer of the expression by using the value of x in the form of y. It means in our answer, y need to be there in our answer. So let's talk how can we solve this type of question, where we have given here x is equal to 2y, you can see here in the red color. Then we have the expression 2x plus 5y, so 2x plus 5y here. Now we need to replace the value of x is equal to 2y at the place of x. So in the expression there you can see between 2 and x there is no sign, it means there would be multiplication, so that 2 is copied here, and because of no sign between 2 and x, we replaced, or we have written here multiplication sign, and the value of x is already given here 2y, you can see here 2y. That's why we have written the value of 2y here, value of x here 2y, and plus 5y is given here. In the same way, 2 to the 4y, after multiplying 2 into 2y, as we have 2 into 2y 4y, and plus this 5y is here. After adding 4y plus 5y, we have 9y as the answer. And you can see here in our answer there is y. It means according to the question here, express 2x plus 5y in the term of y. So according to the question, our answer should be in the form of y. So that here you can see the answer that we have with y. So we have done the first step by finding the answer in the form of y. So let's evaluate the answer that we have here, 9y. Now we are going to evaluate the term 9y by putting the value of y at the place of y. So look it very carefully, or listen to me very carefully. So here, as you can see on the screen, now putting the value of y is equal to 3. The value of y is given in the red color for the identification in 9y, because we are going to put the value of in 9y. Then we get 9y is equal to 9, and between 9 and y there is no any sign. That's why we have written here multiplication, so that 9 into value of y is replaced here 3. So 9 3 is 27 is the answer. Or in this way you can also solve the related question, and I hope you are understanding the solutions that we are discussing today. And the fourth question with us is, if x is equal to 2a plus 1, then so that 3x minus 6a plus 7 is equal to 10. It means what? By putting the value of x 2a plus 1 in the expression 3x plus 6a plus 7, we need to find the answer 10. This is the answer that we need to find by solving the expression 3x minus 6a plus 7 by replacing the value of x 2a plus 1. So how can we solve this? How can we find the values 10 of the expression 3x minus 6a plus 7? So for this, we can solve it like this. So let's discuss the solution here. Here, the solution is given to you on the screen. You can see the solution on the screen. Here, x is equal to 2a plus 1 is given to us. Then we have the expression. We have the expression 3x minus 6a plus 7 is equal to 10. You can see here. This is the expression where we need to find the value of 3x minus 6a plus 7 as 10. So here we have the expression 3x plus 6a plus 7, and we need to replace the value of x 2a plus 1, so that between 3 and x there is no any sign. You can see here between 3 and x there is no any sign. That's why we put 3 here, and because of no sign we have written here multiplication. And as we know, because we have learned the term and expression, so you can see here between 2a and 1 there is the addition sign, and between two terms if there is any sign, either addition or subtraction, it forms expression. That's why here we have written the values 2a plus 1 in the bracket, inside the bracket here, then minus 6 plus 7 is equal to 10. And because of the multiplication, we have to multiply both the term by 3 here. So 3 into 2a you can see here. Then there is a plus sign, okay? So that plus here, you can see here plus, and again 3 into 1, this one, and this 3. In the same way, this 3, this 2a is here, and minus 6a plus 7 is equal to 10. You can see here 3 to the 6a plus 3, because 3 1 ja 3 here, and minus 6a is given here, and plus 7 is given here, and it's equal to 10. So that we have plus 6 and minus 6. These two are in the like term. That's why when we subtract 6a from 6a, we have answer 0. That means when 6 is subtracted from 6, as we get 0 as answer. That's why 6a and 6a cancel, and we have 3 plus 7, and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10 proved. Or I hope in this way you can prove such type of question which is given in your exercise book. So as we have done the content today, so thank you all, and we have completed the content